तो ज़माने के हादी बरहक की जो मुखालिफत करता है, जो गैबत करता है, इसको मुज़िल कहते हैं। मीम ज़ाद लाम, और लाम के ऊपर तशदीद। मुज़िल के माने जलालत में डालने वाला। जलालत के माने गुमराही के हैं। गुमराही यानी रास्ते को खो देना। यानी ये हादी बरहक के जिद, यानी उसका जिद होता है। ये किस तरह मोमिनीन को मोमिनात को गुमराह करता है, इंशाल्लाह आने वाले सेशन में होगा। लेकिन फिलहाल जो है आप समझ कर, ये जब आपको ज़माने के इमाम की शनाख्त हासिल हो गई तो फिर आपको खुदा की शनाख्त हासिल हो गई। अब उसके पनाह में जाने का मतलब यह है कि ज़माने का हादी बरहक जो कुछ फरमा दे, उसके दो हिस्से होते हैं, अवामिर और नवाही। अवामिर मानी करने के लिए फरामीन, और नवाही के मानी न करने के लिए फरामीन। आप कलाम इमाम मुबीन और ज़माने के हादी बरहक नूर मौलाना शाह करीम और हुसैनी के इतने एक्सटेंसिव फरामीन और स्पीच इस मौला के आप देख सकते हैं।
And finally, forgets I brought this word Muzill, because we have to also recognize who is Shaitan. So Muzill is the one who speaks against the Imam, who opposes the Imam. His name is Muzill. He's the one who causes, the word Muzill is related to Zalal.
Astray.
To going astray. What is the Arabic word?
Zalalat.
Zalalat. So in Arabic, zalalat is that which is caused by the muzill. So going astray is what the muzill does to the mu'mins. And he takes them away from the straight path, which is the path of the Imam of the time. And he is the opposite. The muzill is the opposite of the hadi, of the guide. And we have to recognize that since everything in God's creation is in a pair, always there is the right and its opposite, the wrong. There is good and there's also evil. So you have a true guide and a guide who misleads and takes you away from the straight path. It could be people, it could be certain things. You know, if you do certain things which are against the Imam's farmans, like we have mentioned already at the beginning, that technology has two dimensions. If we are using technology, social media for wrong purposes, this is going to take us away from the Imam of the time, because it's his guidance that we should use social media too for our spiritual progress, and not to engage in activities with it which might take you away from your spiritual progress. Yeah? Yes. While we are waiting for another question, then let's also elaborate on this first one, that for instance, throughout the Quran, and particularly in the last two chapters, Surah Falak and Nas, if you know those two surahs, you know that there is a seeking of protection from the whispering shaitan who whispers in the heart of mu'mins. So who is this whispering shaitan? That's our own nafs-e ammara. Yes, this nafs-e ammara may be encouraged by some not such ethical people outside, but primarily it is our own nafs that is telling us, to be lazy about ibadah, to be lazy about going to Jamaat Khana, to be negligent of the Imam's guidance. So there is within us a personal shaitan, which we have also discussed how many times there is, on these global lectures. So we shouldn't think that shaitan is only something outside us, right?